In this session, we are going to discuss about the energy of an orbiting satellite. See, if you take any object and if you are throwing that object with a velocity of 11.2 kilometer per second, the velocity of what is the object we are throwing should be of 11.2 kilometer per second. Then, if you project any body with that velocity, that body will go into the orbit. So whenever the body enters the orbit, it starts rotating or revolving around the earth, like our natural satellite moon. So if a satellite also is projected into the orbit with that velocity, so when the satellite is entering into the orbit, what happened to the satellite? It will have energy. Yes, it will have energy. The total energy will be equal to the, satellite will have potential energy and the satellite will have kinetic energy. So the potential energy and the kinetic energy, the sum of potential and kinetic energy is equal to the total energy of the satellite. So first let us see what is the potential energy of the satellite which is orbiting around the planet. So coming to the potential energy will be, so as it is the gravitational potential energy U, so minus G capital M mass of the earth, small m mass of the satellite by capital R radius of the earth plus height. So this is the potential energy of the satellite which is orbiting around the planet. And next, coming to the kinetic energy Ke equal to half mv square. Here m is the mass of the satellite and v is the velocity of the orbiting satellite. So the velocity will be equal to root over gm by r plus h. So this is the velocity of the orbiting satellite. So if you substitute this velocity here, we will get half m mass of the satellite and v is nothing but, here v square, no, square and root will get cancelled. So you will get gm by r plus h. So this is the kinetic energy of the orbiting satellite. This is the potential energy of the orbiting satellite and this is the kinetic energy of the orbiting satellite. Or this can be written as half G capital M small m by r plus h, no. So the total energy T equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. So potential energy is minus Gmm by r plus h plus kinetic energy is half Gmm by r plus h. And if you try to solve this, we'll get, see here Gmm by r plus h is common here. So if you take Gmm by r plus h common, we'll get minus 1 plus half. So if you try to solve this, we'll get like this, capital G capital M small m by r plus h and minus 1 plus half, we'll get minus half, minus 1 plus half, so we'll get minus half. So this is the total energy of the orbiting satellite. The satellite which is orbiting around a planet, This is the total energy. And now if you see the ratio of potential energy, kinetic energy, potential energy is to kinetic energy is to total energy. If you see the ratio will be like this. See, first I am writing that what is potential energy? This is the potential energy minus Gmm by R plus H is to what is kinetic energy? Half Gmm by R plus H is to what is total energy? Minus 1 by 2 into Gmm by R plus H. So these are the ratios of potential, kinetic and total energy. So here the common one is capital G, capital M, small m by R plus H. If you take that as common, G, capital M, small m by R plus H, we will get like this. Here minus 1 is to half is to minus half. And here this is minus and this is minus. Only this is positive, half is positive. So to make this 1, what I have to do? I have to multiply with 2. So if I multiply this with 2, I'll get like this. 2 into, so minus 2 is to 1 is to minus 2 is to 1 is to minus 1. So this is the ratio of potential energy, kinetic energy and total energy. So the ratio of potential energy is to kinetic energy is to total energy is minus 2 is to 1 is to minus 1. So this is the ratio of the energies of an orbiting satellite, and this is the total energy of the orbiting satellite around a planet. So this is about the energy of an orbiting satellite.